Sanibani Bantu. Igama lami nguShona. Ngithanda amabele womfazi kakhulu. I support boobs, and big boobs in particular. I'm the founder of Thursday's Lingerie and Swimwear, and we support girls C cup and up. Why do we do so? Well, in South Africa, we have a population of 54 million people. Of that, 25 million are women. Out of the 25 million, 12 million are aged between 15 and 45, and 3 million of those girls are within the LSM 8 to 10. Now these girls should be able to buy the bras that they want, but often they can't because 1.5 million girls are C cup and up. So they often struggle to find stuff in their size, and when they do find something that supports them properly, it's very expensive. Thursday's Lingerie and Swimwear designs and manufactures lingerie and swimwear for C cup and up girls in South Africa, and we manufacture in Cape Town. We are committed to creating jobs in South Africa and also to regenerate the textile industry. And we want to do so at a price that is affordable to all of you. Our product is designed especially for girls with bigger boobs, and it all has underwire, even the swimwear, and the swimwear is catered especially for the perfect tan. So if you understand as a white girl wanting to get a bit browner, you usually have like a bigger tan lines with the bigger costumes, and it's horrible. So all the straps are removable, and even the full piece has an open back. The nice thing is that you can swim in the waves with this, you can run in it, you can play frisbee if you want to. The lingerie, the bra, they both have bigger straps, and those are hidden by beautiful lace detail. The cups are also segmented into 3 parts, and research has shown that this gives you the best shape for a fuller bust and the best support. It also has a wide underband, which gives you support from below. So now you've seen the product, and it's a really good quality. Why should you invest in me? Well, basically, I've been doing this for the last 2 years. I've put all of my personal resources into it, and I've done a lot of research and product development and product testing. I've also got a team of experienced ladies with 25 years experience in the lingerie and swimwear industry who will be helping me on the journey. We are outsourcing our CMT to a level 1 BEE female-owned entrepreneur in Cape Town. So I told you, price is important to me. I don't want you to pay an arm and a leg like you do for the international brands. So we are pricing ourselves below the international brands like Sea Folly, After Eden, Pandora's Box, and just slightly above our local competitors who are